In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to delete Suno AI account. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to log in here into your Suno AI app on your mobile device because for some reason it's not available on the web version. So in here, you can tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, which is right here. Tap on it. And then now you want to go into the settings. So you want to tap here on the settings icon on the top right. Now you want to go into account right here. And now you want to tap here on delete account. Now, if you're sure, you can tap here on yes, I'm sure, and you will now be able to proceed into deleting your account. And they might ask for some additional information, such as your password or your email and so on. So just follow the on screen instructions. It's very simple. All of that will be personal information, so I can't really show it. After that, your account will now be deleted. That's it on how you can delete your Suno AI account.